Okay, folks, number 32 says, without drawing the graph of the equation, determine A, how many x-intercepts the parabola has, and B, whether its vertex lies above, below, or on the x-axis. Okay, so I've got to do two things. Put my A right here, put my B right here, just to remind me I've got two things that I need to do. Now, whenever I'm looking for how many x-intercepts or how many roots or how many solutions there are to a quadratic, that's always asking me to figure out what the discriminant is. Okay? So for this quadratic, I know that A is equal to 1, okay? B is equal to -5, and C is equal to +5. Okay? Now let me go ahead and plug that in. Alright? Let's see. B is -5, A is 1, C is 5. Let's see what we get here. -5 squared is 25 minus 20. Okay, so my answer is 5. Now remember, the key things are I'm getting positive or 0 or negative. If it's positive, I have 2 solutions. If it's negative, if it's 0, I have 1 solution. And if it's negative, I have no solutions. Alright, so since I got 5, I know that there are 2 solutions. Okay, so I need to write for A that there are 2 x-intercepts. Okay, if there are 2 solutions, then there are 2 x-intercepts for the graph. Now for B, it says determine whether its vertex lies above or below or on the x-axis. Well, remember, if A is positive, then the parabola makes a smile. If A is negative, then the parabola makes a frown. All right? That's if A is negative. That's if A is positive. Okay? And in this case, A is positive, so I know it turns up and makes a smiley face. Here, there'd be no x-intercepts or no solutions. That's if the discriminant were negative. This is what it would look like if there was only 1 x-intercept. Okay, but we know that there are 2 x-intercepts, right? It hits the x-axis twice. And since it hits the x-axis twice, that means that the vertex, the minimum, has to be below the x-axis. Okay, so we're going to write below right here. That's our answer for B. All right? Excellent job, folks. Let's look at the next exercise.